Hi, Tim here at Borowski Race Engines. Today you can see I'm in my dark hat, and that's because I'm pleased to announce that we're getting into the big block market. Here you'll see we have a 9/8 deck, 4.5/60 bore block. This is a Sportsman variation. We'll be offering this in either a 10-2 or a 9/8 deck. Finishing them out with Callies rotating assemblies, crank and rods, along with a diamond piston. You could get this in a short block, a long block, or just a bare block. There are two variations in these blocks. You could either get it in a Sportsman variation or a Big M variation. The difference is the Sportsman comes with a ductile iron cap, where the Big M comes with a billet steel cap. The billet steel cap version, the Big M version, will come with the parts kit included. The Sportsman will not. Both blocks, you have to purchase a set of cam bearings with it. The Sportsman block here will be offering this as a 555. Either for a naturally aspirated combination or a light boosted application. Our higher horsepower customers will be stepping up to the Big M block with a steel main cap. We'll throw much better parts in. We'll go with the Callies Magnum crankshaft, the Callies Enforcer connecting rod with a beefier piston design. We'll stay at the same cubic inch. Really, the tall deck is just going to allow for a much beefier piston, a beefier connecting rod. This will be offering a CNC ported Dark Pro 1-cylinder head. It comes to us as a porter casting. We'll be giving it the rest of the machine work here, including the porting, the valve job, final assembly. You'll be able to stick this on any of the combinations.
Whether you're a racer, speed shop, or engine builder, if you need top quality big block parts, assemblies, or complete engines, give us a call. Borowski Race Engines, 815-725-2727.